Today I give you a detailed tour of a brand new Extra 330 LX. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Markus Extra. I'm the General Manager of Extra Aircraft. We are producing aerobatic aircraft for more than 40 years and produced more than 100 serial numbers of this specific type. So let's have a quick look at the aircraft. The Extra 330 LX is a two-seat aerobatic aircraft and is certified in EASA and FAA. It's the successor of the Extra 300L, so a proven design, and we built it for many years already. It's powered by a Lycoming 580 together with a 3 or 4 blade propeller of MT. So if you want to do aerobatic sequences for fun or also for competitions, if you want to do training or just joyrides, this is the perfect choice for you. And the reason behind are the great control surfaces. So let's check them out next. So as you can see, the aileron here extends almost across the whole span of the wing, which gives you a very high roll rate of more than 360 degrees per second, but at the same time a fantastic handling, great controllability and maneuverability. So you can have precise and crisp stops at the same time, which makes the aircraft a lot of fun to fly. The wing itself is made completely out of carbon fiber. We built the fuselage here out of steel tubes and cover them up also with a carbon fiber shell. So let's check out the fuselage next. So we are now in our metal shop where we produce the steel tube fuselages all by ourselves. We use a special aviation material here called 1.7734. It's a very light material, but at the same time very strong. So this is why these aircrafts are certified for plus or minus 10 Gs. I'm standing now in the area where the cockpit is going to be. So let's check out the cockpit at the finished product. So I just took place here in the cockpit of the Extra 330 LX, and the first thing that I see is this huge Garmin screen here, the Garmin G3X Touch. This gives you all the information that you need during the flight, for example temperatures or pressures, gives you GPS and of course a G meter as well. Next to it you find a backup for altimeter and airspeed, and below you find a COM and a transponder device. On your left hand you find your throttle, of course with a smoke, a switch here, and also mixture and propeller on the left. The control stick in the middle is in the perfect position. It feels very ergonomic. On the right hand side you find your fuel selector valve, so you can decide if you want to get fuel from the center tank or extend your range by using the wing tank. As mentioned, I'm sitting in a very ergonomic and fantastic position. The seat is fully adjustable and also the pedals are adjustable, so smaller or taller pilots fit into the cockpit here as well. So for now, let's sum up all the information that I just gave you, and I will give you a quick recommendation if this aircraft is the right choice for you. So if you're looking for a very sportive and high-performing aircraft and you want to fly upside down, the Extra 330 LX is the perfect choice for you. It's great if you want to fly aerobatic competitions, if you want to do UPRT training, or if you just want to do joyrides with your friends. So if you need any further information about the aircraft, please write us an email or let us know in the comments, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.